All right, hey there, it's Keith Hayden, the digital novelist here on a Saturday night when I'm filming this. That's why I'm getting ready for bed. But before I did that, I wanted to try out this project for Free Code Camp. This is my third certification project, the technical documentation page. As you can see, I've glanced at the specs, but I haven't really used it. Today, I'm going to be trying out this new one called Bolt.new. It is, I don't really know much about it, honestly. It's something that develops software for you. So in my previous projects, I've been using Cursor AI. Cursor is a fantastic tool, and if you haven't seen my second project, go back and take a look at. I literally did a project in under 30 minutes for Free Code Camp. So I'm going to be testing out Bolt's capabilities and just seeing what the hype is about and if it can help me with my project. I'm going to be using Bolt, and as always, I've got ChatGPT pulled up over here, my Free Code Camp tutor, my custom GPT that I created specifically for helping me through the Free Code Camp curriculum. It's a pretty cool resource. So I'm going to get myself off camera because, yeah, I just with all the AI shit going around, I like to start my videos with me on video. I have no problem appearing on video. I don't care if my hair's wrapped. I don't care if I'm wearing glasses. I don't care. I just want to get in and try this capability. So let's see what's going on with this. And I'll kind of talk through what I'm doing and where I like to start, usually with an AI project. So Bolt, um, let's see, we have a get started thing here. Oh, good, it plugs into GitHub, so I can just authorize stack blitz. Okay, do that. I do have a GitHub account, so that makes it really easy to plug into this. Okay, I guess I'm just going to get started. So let's just start by looking at the specs for this project. Oh, I didn't start my timer. I'm going to give myself 20 minutes since it's already at 2 minutes. So, okay. Build an app that is functionally similar to this technical page. Okay, so it looks like we've got this stuff and okay, so we're just doing this. Usually I like to customize my projects, but I don't really have a need to build any technical pages at this point. So I'm just gonna just do what the project tells me to do. I don't usually do that. If you watch my previous projects, I usually customize to like something that aligns with my digital novelist brand or just something that I feel like would be useful for me. I really can't think. Maybe it's just because it's too late when I'm recording this, but I can't think of anything. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I have to do these things. Main element. Okay. Mhm. Mm. Okay. Any spaces to be replaced with underscores. A header JavaScript Java. Main section. All right. I'm just looking through the specs here. Okay. Thank God they don't have me using a lot of those pseudo selectors that I learned in this part. I mean, I some of them it's just hard to remember exactly what they do. So anyway, I'm gonna go to bold. How can I help you today? I'm just gonna tell it what I'm working on. Okay. So I just kind of give it some context, and this is how I generally start any project with AI. Just kind of give it, hey, this is what I'm working on. This is the goal, and let's just give it these fulfill the user stories and pass all the tests. Be sure to add. Okay, I'm gonna give it. It should use at least one media query. Okay. And I'll include this note. Okay. So I pretty much have no idea how Bolt works. So I'm just gonna just press enter and see what happens when I do this. Implementing a required structure. Boom. Oh, wow. React. Oh, man. It's building like a whole app? What is happening here? It's using TypeScript. Oh, man. Oh, an error occurred. What happened? Oh, okay. It doesn't have this makes sense. It doesn't have the specified packages that it needs because it's trying to build an app from scratch. Wow. In the preview. Nothing. Okay. All right. I'm going to redo this. I'm going to say only use HTML and CSS. Okay, let's try this. Boom. That's what we want. Okay. It's definitely not as fast as ChatGPT or Claude, but I guess that's to be expected. Seems like it's stuttering a little bit. But let's see what it does. It's building out the page. Why is it writing so much text? We got another error. What's the error? Okay, so Bolt seems to be struggling a little bit with. Yeah, it looks like it's just struggling to really just generate this stuff. Okay, here's what we gotta do. This was supposed to be about Bolt, but Bolt's kind of screwing up, and I ain't got time for this. So I would go to Cursor, but I'm out of the free credits on Cursor. So I really wanted to use Cursor. But I'm going to have to use ChatGPT. I already got my free code camp pulled up. And I'm just going to do it here. Damn, look how fast it is. Lightning. All right, let's see how it did. We're going to take this code. This is how we build in apps today. New file. Okay. This. Save it. Get our CSS. And that's not CSS. Here's the CSS. Got this. Make sure we're all connected up with CSS. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, Bolt is still, so there's something up with Bolt, but that's okay. We're just gonna see if we can. Oh, we're already halfway done. We're 10 minutes in, and it looks like we might be near to done. So let's take this output, bring it over here. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Looks functional to me. Okay, let's see if the code's gonna pass so we can complete the project. Oh, I'll just get it from ChatGPT. Easier. Keep getting confused about which windows I'm in. Alright, let's see what media it did. Max width. Margin left. Paddington. Oh, okay, that's why it collapses. Cool. That works fine. Alright. Boom, we're done. ChatGPT one shot of this shit in 2 minutes. Now, I will say that I'm not just doing ChatGPT like I have gone through the entire free code camp curriculum that leads up to this. So the important part for me is that I understand what this code means, which I do. And when it comes to actually building something practical, especially something that like I said at the beginning of this video, I don't really need, like a technical documentation page. So unlike my previous projects, I don't really care what this looks like. I don't really want to style it anymore. It does what it needs to do, and it satisfies the requirements for Free Code Camp. So this is how we make a software now in 2024 with AI superpowers. And I'm not a dev, but it's hard for me to call myself like a non-dev anymore, just because I have been doing this for almost 50 days straight, just Free Code Camp in the last month, every day, 30 minutes a day, and I've come a long way. And the fact that I understand this stuff and that I can put together stuff like this, and I know what to ask. I think that's the biggest thing I'm getting from going through this curriculum like this, even though I'm just one shot of these projects, right? So anyway, that's all for this project. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. I'm Keith Hayden, the digital novelist. I've got a bunch of tools for writing novels. You can check out my website, keithhayden.net. And you can also follow my journey as I'm going through Free Code Camp and slowly improving my technical skills to be able to eventually build my own software using these incredible AI tools that we have at our disposal. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.